Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to unpair Bluetooth speaker. Guys, this JBL Bluetooth speaker guys, I want to unpair in my phone from my phone. So guys, I can. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Bluetooth speaker in our Vivo phone. So friends, first of all, open your phone setting to unpair this Bluetooth speaker. Guys, Bluetooth and devices. Click here. Guys, click on Bluetooth. So you can see guys, we have paired this Bluetooth. So guys, right side guys, you can see this setting option. So guys, click here. Guys, click on forget option. So guys, this Bluetooth speaker will forget, oh means guys, unpair in our Vivo phone guys. So first button guys, again we will, so it will off. So I hope friends we have understood how to unpair Bluetooth speaker in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.